सो बच्चों, हाय बच्चों, आई एम बिपिन यादव, योर biology teacher. Now I am start 12th class of biology. First chapter is reproduction in organisms. Now we are discuss first topic is reproduction. So student, what is the reproduction? Definition is defined as biological process in which an organism give rise to new young one of spring similar to itself. That means reproduction is defining a biological process in which organism give rise to young one, and reproduction enable the continuity of species generation after generation. That means student, reproduction is a process by which we maintain our continuity of species. When reproduction is not occur in animal, species is continue. No, do not continue, because another generation is not produced by parent. How can continue a species? So reproduction is essential process for continuity of species, and reproduction is also play major role in genetic variation and evolution. Every student know in evolution very major play role of crossing over of gamete. So crossing over of gamete happen if reproduction is occur. So reproduction enable the continuity of a species generation to generation, and it also created genetic variation and inheritable character. Means inherited character means that inheritable character. I tell you what is the genetic variation. Genetic variation is when male and female are crossing over of gamete, male and female of gamete are close to each other and form zygote and then form new young one. The child and father, your mother, most likely to similar, maybe similar, but not exact to copy. Why? There is a genetic variation. That means genetic variation means in a crossing over their chromosome. Okay, and crossing over a chromosome occur during reproduction. So it also created genetic variation and inheritable character. A child have character of his father and grandfather and grandmother. Why? Some character are inherited through reproduction. Okay, so अंडरस्टैंड. सो बच्चों समझ गए ना? तो मैं अब आगे चलता हूं. वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट. रिप्रोडक्शन आर टू टाइप्स. लेट्स सी. One is asexual and second one is sexual. What is the asexual reproduction? In a asexual reproduction, there is not requirement of opposite parent या opposite sex gamete. There is a produce new young one only by one parent. Okay बच्चों? So there is produced offspring. There is a produced offspring by only one parent. Okay, that means in asexual there is a not requirement of both parent. बोथ पेरेंट मीन्स अपोजिट सेक्स, मेल एंड फीमेल. यहाँ पे बच्चों कोई एक ही पेरेंट न्यू यंग वन को प्रोड्यूस कर देगा. ओके बच्चों, एंड in a asexual offspring is clone to their parent. That mean clone mean बच्चों कार्बन copies. Okay, in asexual offspring, in a asexual reproduction, in a asexual reproduction, offspring are clone and carbon copy to their parent. That means offspring are morphologically and genetically are exact similar to their parent. Okay, in asexual reproduction, offspring are morphologically and genetically exact similar to parent. ओके बच्चों, दैट मीन एसेक्सुअल के अंदर बच्चों जो पेरेंट होगा उसका एग्जैक्ट कार्बन कॉपी होगा ऑफस्प्रिंग. ओके बच्चों, नेक्स्ट वी आर डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ मेनी ऑर्गेनिज्म आर परफॉर्म asexual reproduction. Okay, asexual reproduction, how many organisms are perform asexual reproduction. बच्चों asexual reproduction structure. Now we start asexual reproduction. Okay, I will rough it. Then next, asexual reproduction is a